EVA film is a thermoset material that is used as an interlayer in laminated glass. It is made from ethylene vinyl acetate. EVA film is clear, colorless, and odorless. It is also non-toxic and recyclable. EVA film has a number of advantages over other types of interlayers, such as polyvinyl material (PVB). EVA film is more flexible than PVB, which makes it easier to laminate and more suitable for creative designs. It is also more resistant to moisture, which makes it a better choice for outdoor applications. EVA film is a versatile and durable material that is used in a variety of applications. It is a safe, reliable, and affordable choice for laminated glass. If you are looking for a safe, durable, and affordable option for laminated glass, EVA film is a great choice. The popular types of EVA film we produce and sell is: first, super clear film, full transparency, available in outdoor applications. Second, sandblasting white film, offering medium privacy, available in outdoor applications. Third, cool jade white film, offering medium privacy, available in outdoor applications. Fourth, super white opaque film, offering high privacy, available in outdoor applications. Fifth, black opaque film, offering high privacy, available in outdoor applications. If you want to order, please feel free to contact us, and you may expect answers in 24 hours.